Hi guys, and welcome back to Basics with Tony. This week's video is actually a requested one from my Instagram at Toni-Anne_Davis. I'm just doing a quick eye look for the base because this week's video is focused on the winged eyeliner. And if you've watched any of my longer videos, you know I'm always going on about how rubbish I am, but I have good and bad days, you know, I'm still getting there, so yeah. We'll see how this goes. Now, what you're actually here for. So I'm just drawing a line, which is aligned with my under eye, just straight up. And then I'm going to draw an adjoining line from the middle of my eyelid to the line I drew previously. Now, filming this was actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, so bear with me. So you see it's perfectly aligned now. And then I'm just gonna keep dragging out the line until it goes to the front part of my eye, making sure to keep the shape that I want, because I know being a beginner you end up making it a bit too big. I know for some people this eyeliner may be a bit big as well, but if I was putting on false lashes it would be just fine. So now I'm just basically filling it in like you would do with your eyebrows, making sure there's no gaps. And then the perfect thing that I keep doing, I just stretch out my eye. So the greatest thing about having extra fat, so it makes it easier to keep everything aligned. And if I had messed up, I would have just used concealer to line it up. And now I'm just doing the finishing touches. I'm actually quite proud of this liner. I know I say it all the time, but honestly, I am rubbish at liner. It's just not for me. If you want me to do another one of these, showing you how to do a smaller version of this, I did try and failed, hence why it's just one eye. But I thought staying focused would help you more than jumping between eyes. And yeah, so here's the final look. I hope you guys learnt a thing or two and subscribe. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.